everybody, welcome to the video. So if your day is the Hunter's Builder Elite ceiling fan, and the ceiling fan is in like the kitchen living room area. There's a light kit on it now. It's from Harbor Breeze. Got this at Lowe's. Put a Hunter pendant on it since it didn't match with the Harbor Breeze pendant. First we had a cold front recently, so warmed back up, so that's why it was in reverse. Match is pretty good, but Harbor Breeze's brushed nickel is a little more like chrome. This is more like not shiny, if you know what I mean. Go to medium now. And when I first did the video of this, and I thought it was broken, this is what didn't have the light kit. I thought it was broken because I didn't see the switch over here, and there's two wires up there. There's two hots, there's a red and a black, and there's no switch control the other one. So I just have a piece of tape on this one with the control all the way up. I would have still kept it like this if we didn't throw a light kit on it, because it's kind of dark without the light kit, so. Here's high. I would like to put my Art Nouveau that's actually for sale on eBay up here, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Would love for it to happen, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I put the light kit on. For some reason it wobbles more, I don't know why. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.